Hey, it's Martin with Repair Shop Websites. We often get asked if we can help repair shops get more reviews, and I'm happy to say the answer to that question is yes. We put together this short video to show you just how important reviews are and to tell you a little bit more about how we can help you get more reviews for your shop. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We'd be happy to talk with you. Reviews. That's what we're here to talk about today, and more specifically, how does Repair Shop Websites help auto repair shops get more reviews? And when we talk about reviews, we're talking about those reviews that you can display on your website, that you will have in Google to get more of those Google reviews, and then also Facebook, all of which are important places where you want to have reviews online. And the good news is that we don't have to sell you on how important reviews are. Most auto repair shops by this point realize how important they are, but yet we still want to share some of this data with you from this survey that took place late in 2020. And what they found in the survey was that 87% of consumers read online reviews for local businesses in 2020. 87%. That's a huge number. Also, only 48% of consumers would consider using a business with fewer than 4 stars. So if your shop is around that area, lower 4 stars, higher 3 stars, you are definitely in danger potentially of reaching a level where consumers may not consider you when they are considering where they're going to take their vehicles for auto repair, which is why you want to make sure you've got lots of good reviews. And the more good reviews you have, the more you can handle it if you get that occasional bad review. And let's face it, all of us are going to get bad reviews occasionally. We are not perfect. Sometimes things just don't go the way we want them to go, and somebody will be compelled to put a less than ideal review out there. But the more good reviews, the more great reviews that you build up to that point, the better off or the least impact that's going to have on your star rating. And also, 73% of consumers only pay attention to reviews written in the last month. And what that tells us is frequency, consistency, recency, all really important when it comes to reviews. So you want to keep generating those reviews. You want to keep asking people for reviews, because if 73% of consumers only pay attention to reviews written in the last month, anything you have on there 30 days plus is not likely to have as much of an impact. So you want that recency factor there. Get those reviews coming in. And a way that we help our customers get reviews is we have this form right on the website. Makes it easy for a review. You can always ask somebody to go here and utilize this review form right here on the website. But even better, through our system called integrated reviews, it makes it even easier for you to get those reviews. So with our system, our integrated review system, you just type in a customer email address and you hit send, and that customer gets that email that prompts them to leave a review for you on your website. So it'll take them to your website to leave that review. Any great review, any good review is automatically posted on your website. If by chance they post a review that's not great, we get that information. We will let you know. We'll talk to you about that. We'll figure out how to deal with it. It will not be posted. But when they post that great review, they will also receive a notification that prompts them to post the review on Google and Facebook. So we're trying to make it easy for them to tell how great your shop is on Google and Facebook. They're going to get that prompt as soon as they put in that very positive review. And that is how we help you get more reviews. A little bit more about us at Repair Shop Websites. We have more than 2,500 auto repair customers and 16 years of experience building and managing websites for the automotive aftermarket businesses. We exclusively focus on auto repair, 0 contracts, Zero added cost for customer support, and we will make your website live in most instances, almost all instances, in 3 business days. So that's what we have for you today. That's how we help our customers, our auto repair shop customers, get more reviews. We'd love to be able to help you. If you have any more questions about what we do for shops or specifically our integrated reviews platform, please feel free to reach out to me at the contact information here. We hope you found the video useful. We're always here for you. Reach out to us for anything, and thank you very much.